In this video, we'll be explaining what hoisting means and why var gives undefined before declaration. Hoisting means JavaScript moves variable declarations to the top of the scope before the code runs. Hoisting happens only for declarations, not initializations. So let me show you what that means. We'll start with var. So if we try to console.log or display a variable that was not declared or initialized yet. So let's go var a is equal to 10. Let's just give it any value. So what happens, I'm going to refresh the page and we get the value undefined. So at runtime, here is what happened. So at runtime, I'm just going to explain what really happened. Initially, var a happened first. So here, declaration is hoisted to the top. That's what hoisting means. I just need to get the right spelling. Next, what we get here is the output is undefined. So we get that output. And here is assignment happens later. So I'm just going to put this in a multi-line comment because it's sort of like explaining what went on behind the scenes. So with var is hosted and automatically set to undefined. You can use it before declaring, but it's not recommended. So I hope this gives you an idea of what hosting means. Okay, so hosting means JavaScript moves variable declarations to the top of the scope before the code runs, so something like that. Okay, let's see how it works for let and const. So I'm just going to copy these and paste it. So I'm going to say B for let. Save and refresh. Now here we get a reference error. It says we can't access the declaration B before initialization. So this pretty much gives us that reference error. And it's pretty consistent with const as well. So let's make another variable called C and declare it as const. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to comment this out so that we can actually see that this line also causes a reference error, and it indeed does. So what happened with let and const, they're hosted, but they're not giving a value. So you cannot use them before declaring because doing so causes a reference error, as we saw here. Now, in summary, think of var as being hosted and ready to go, while let and const are hosted but locked in a box until the line is reached. To avoid confusion, always declare variables at the top of the scope. I hope this video helped you understand what hosting means, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.